Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ibilolademodi. If you're new here, you're very welcome. And if you've always been here, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my bean cake, traditionally known as Akara. This meal is absolutely delicious. It's very tasty, and most importantly, it's very easy to make. If you're interested, let's just get right into it. Alright guys, so typically you're going to put your beans in a blender or in a food processor. I think that's what it's called. I'm just going to show you guys how I peel my beans. I typically use white or brown beans, but on this day clearly I used brown beans. If you want a step-by-step video on how to peel your beans, that's like the washing process and everything, I'm going to leave a link here. Make sure you check it out, but typically I peel my beans with a food processor or a mixer, and I pour it into water, and I just continue to rinse it and rinse it and rinse it. Like typically have to do this a couple of times, and then your beans would be clean. Like, you would see what I mean. It will be typically white. This you would have to use lots of water typically, but yeah guys, it's very easy. I'd rather do this than use the powder beans. I know some people use the powder beans, but yeah guys, this is what I do, and it's easier for me rather than the traditionally rubbing your palm together to get the beans peeled off. So yeah guys, this is faster. This saves more time. You don't need to soak it or anything. Just do it like that and then just blend. So I'm going to be blending my beans. For akara guys, this is the mistake a lot of people make. Make sure you don't add too much water so your akara is not watery. So I added some garlic, I added some Scotch bonnet or habanero pepper, and added some onions. And this is my pureed beans guys. One thing I didn't show you was that I blended it again because it wasn't as smooth, but yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to add some oregano, some parsley, and some Knoor seasoning, some crayfish, and some mixed seasoning. Guys, check the description box below. I always leave detailed ingredients and quantity of what I'm putting in there, but basically that's what you're going to add, and you're just going to mix this all together. If you also like, you can put all of that in the blender just so it's mixed properly, but it's not a big deal for me. I put it like this after blending. I'm also going to add some green pepper and some onions, some Scotch bonnet to be precise. I like to add that just for flavor, just because I love to see in my akara, and you guys will see what I'm talking about while I'm frying. But I add some Scotch bonnet, pepper, just a few, just so it's not too spicy with onions. And that's it guys. That's basically the mixture. And guys, it's absolutely delicious. In a pan, you want to add some olive oil or canola oil, and yeah guys, just fry your akara. There's nothing too serious about this. Make sure, like I said, your akara is not too watery. I also like to add some onions in the oil before frying, just for flavor's sake, and that's the brown thing that you can already see in the oil clearly. Guys, look at the consistency of this akara. It's not too watery and it's not too thick, and this is how beautifully it turned out. Just look at this guys. Who wouldn't want a piece of this? It came out absolutely yummy. Yeah guys, so clearly look at how brown and golden and crisp this akara is looking, guys. Make sure you also don't leave it in the oil for too long so it doesn't burn. And also, when you start frying the akara, make sure it's on medium to low heats, because you want it to be cooked properly inside. So you want to make sure that it's not really high, because what happens, it burns or it looks brown quickly, but it's probably not cooked on the inside. So guys, if you remember when I mentioned that you wanted the peppers, to be visible in the akara, this is exactly what I mean. Can you see all of the green peppers showing beautifully as they fry, guys? I just love to see that. I absolutely love to see that. And that's why I add the peppers and the onions, specifically the green one, because that's just what I like. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for, everything, guys. Just look at this. Take a look at how amazing this akara is looking. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye bye.